Hello, hello, hello. Good evening, everyone. So, today we are going to discuss class 9, chapter 6. So, first we will do theorem 6.1. So, theorem 6.1. So what is given in theorem 6.1? Theorem is given that if the sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree, then if the two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. So this is the theorem. So we will write the theorem first. What is the theorem? If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles opposite angles are equal. So this is the theorem. So if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. So at first we will draw the diagram. So diagram will be like this. So this one I'm taking A B line, this is CD line, and they are intersecting at point O. So I'll mark the angles, this angle, this angle, this and this. So this one I'm marking as 1, and this one as 2, this one as 3, and this one as 4. So we have to prove that 1 is equal to 2 and 3 is equal to 4. So how to write this one? First we will write AB and CD are two lines intersecting each other at point O. So AB and CD are two lines intersecting each other at point O, and we have to prove. So here we will write to prove. To prove angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 3 equal to angle 4. So this one we have to prove. Now proof we will do. The proof will be like this. Proof. So here we can see in the diagram, angle 1 and 3 are on the same straight line, 1 and 4 are the same straight line, then 2 and 3 are on same straight line, and 2 and 4 are also on the same straight line. And as we know that if two angles are on the same straight line, then sum of them will be equal to 180 degree. So we will write that one. We know angles on same straight line angles on the same straight line forms 180 degree. So 180 degree forms of what we can write now? So we can write now 1 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 3. You can take any angle. 1 plus 4 also can be taken, 2 plus 3 can be taken, 2 plus 4 also can be taken. I am taking 1 plus 3 equal to 180 degree, and I am going to mark this one as equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Then again we will write, now 1 plus 3 is there, so next angle we will take such that either 1 or 3 should be common there. That means either 1 should be there or 3 should be there. So I am going to take 2 plus 3, but 3 will be common with the previous one, because 1 common have to take there. So we will take angle 2 plus angle 3, that one equal to 180 degree, and this one is number 2. I am going to mark this one as number 2. Now you can see 1 plus 3 is 180, 2 plus 3 also 180. That means now I can write 1 plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 3 because both are equal to 180. So we can write that one. So I can write now from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we have what we have from 1 and 2. We have angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 1 is not equal to, it is 3. Angle 1 plus 3 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3, because both are equal to 180, so we can write like that. Now both side 3 will be cancelled and we will have angle 1 equal to angle 2. So now similarly we can write, we can show what we can show similarly, the 3 is also equal to angle 3 is also equal to angle 4. So this is the proof of the theorem. You can write this one. So for 1 minute I am holding that before doing the next one. So theorem 6.1 finished. Now I'm going to do the next one. Exercise we will do. Exercise 6.1, question number 1. So I'm going to do exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1, question number 1 I'm going to do. So first of all I'll draw the diagram. So diagram is something like this. So one line is given like this, straight line, then another one is given like this, and then one line is here. Okay, and naming have to give. Name is given. This one is A, B. Arrowheads are there, but I'm not doing. Then also you have to this side E. Everywhere arrowhead there. This is line, not line segment. These are the lines. And it is given here ABA and CD intersect at point O if AOC plus BOE is equal to 70. AOC and BOE are 70. AOC means this angle and BOE means this angle. Sum of these two angles equal to 70 degree. And angle BOD is given. Angle BOD is given. Angle BOD is this one. Angle BOD is given that it is 40 degree. This one is 40 degree. So we need to find out angle BOE. Yes, sum of AOC and BOE is given, and we need to find out BOE and reflex angle COE. That means COE we will first find out. Then reflex angle COE means this is the reflex angle COE. This is the reflex angle COE. So COE first we will find out. After finding out COE, if we subtract it from 360, then we will get the reflex angle COE. Okay, then first given have to write. Given you can write from the question. That means what will be the given? AB and CD intersect at point O. AOC plus BOE 70 degree, BOD 40. Then to find BOE and reflex angle COE. So I'm going to do the solution now. So solution will be like this here. Solution. In the solution, first what we will do, we can see AOC and BOD are vertically opposite angle. From the diagram it is clear that AOC and BOD are vertically opposite angle. They will be equal. So we will write angle AOC is equal to D. So AOC and BOD are equal. Why they are equal? Reason we have to write there. And the reason will be what? Vertically opposite angles. So this AOC and BOD equal. So BOD already we have from the question 40 degree. So we can write AOC equal to degree. Now AOC we have got. Then we will write since angle AOC plus angle BOE so therefore what will be, we can give implies here, so you can use implies sign. Implies AOC value I am going to put, AOC value was 40 degree, so 40 degree plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree. It is 70 degree. Now we can find out implies BO minus 40 degree, that one is equal to 30 degree. So we have got now BOE 30 degree. That means one answer we have got. One answer we have got, that one is BOE 30 degree we have got. Now we need to find out reflex angle COE. Before the COE we will find out, and we can see AOC plus, you can see in the diagram AOC then COE and BOE all are on the same straight line. That means sum of these three angles will be equal to 180 degree because angles on the same straight line. So we can put AOC plus BOE is 70 degree, and then AOC value is 30 plus, and BOE 30, AOC 40 plus 30 70, and then from 180 we will subtract it and we will get the value of COE. Then reflex angle we will find out. So now next step will be like this. Now we can write angle ACOE again plus angle (180 degree), and the reason is what? Same straight line. Then plus COE value we don't have, so we will write COE, then again plus BOE value, find out that 180 degree. So 40 plus 30 70, so directly going to write angle COE, angles minus 70 degree. That means so equal to so we have got 110 degree. Now we need reflex one, we need reflex. So to find out the reflex angle, what we do, we will subtract angle COE from 60 degree, and angle COE is how much? At 150 degree. So this is the answer. You can write from here. So question number 1 gone. Now question 2. Question 2 is given. Now question number 2, that one is given. Lines XY and MN intersect at O. If POY 90 degree and A is to be 2:3, find C. So given, and to find you have to write from the book. So I'm going to do question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2. So question 2, direct answer I am going to do now. Because you have to write given and to prove, so I am going to do the solution. Question 2 solution. So here given that angle POY 90 degree. So angle POY equal to 90 degree. So we can see angle POY and angle POX are forming a linear pair because they are on the same straight line. So therefore we can write here we can write angle POX also equal to 90 degree. So angle POX also 90 degree now we are getting, and we can see in the diagram that POX containing two angles, that one A and B. That means A is to B is 2:3 given. That means sum of, since POX is 90 degrees, so sum of A and B will be 90 degree. Now ratio is given 2:3. That means we have to find out now two angle A and angle B from here. So this one we can do by linear equation also, by taking x, A is equal to 2x, B is equal to 3x, or by ratio method directly also can be applied. So here we can now suppose, since small a is to small b equal to 2:3, so therefore what we can write, now we will write let. So let A equal to 2x, comma, and B equal to 3x. And since A plus B 90 degree, so we can write 2x plus 3x is equal to 90. So here we write, since A plus B equal to 90 degree, so therefore and since you can write in symbol also, 2x plus 3x equal to 90 degree. So that's why what will be now implies 5x equal to 90 degree. So implies x equal to 90 by 5, that is 18 degree getting. So below of x 18 degree getting. Now we can find out A and B. So therefore A will be equal to what? 2x is there, so 2 into 18 degree, that means 36 degree, and small b will be equal to 3 into 18 degree, that means equal to 54 degree. So we have got A and B 54 degree. Now I can see we need to find out C. So B and C forming a linear pair. B plus C is equal to 180 because they are on the same straight line. So we can find from there. So we will write now B plus C equal to 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Because they are linear pair. Now we have the value of B, that one is 54 degree, then plus C equal to 180 degree, So C value now we can find out. C is equal to 180 minus 180 degree minus 54. So 180 degree minus 54 means how much? 126, I think. 126 degree. 10 minus 4 6, 7 minus 5 2. Yes, 126 degree. So value of C we have got. This is question number 2 answer. So diagram is already given here. You can draw from the book, or just I'm drawing here also if you want that one. This is going in between this one. So here P this one is P Y, this one is Y, and this one is B, this one is A, this one is C. 90 degrees there, this is 90 degree, and this is, so this is the diagram. Now going to do question number 3. Now question number 3, here first I am going to draw the diagram. So diagram is given like this. So one straight line is like this there, then one triangle is there. This is the triangle. This is P, Q, R, S, T. And angles, these two angles are equal, already given. So this is question number 3. So question number 3 is given that PQR so proof going to do. In the proof, what we will do, what is given we will write like that. PQR and PRQ equal is given, but we can see PQR and PQS are linear pair. So first we will write that one. Angle PQR plus angle PQS, both are equal to 180 degree. Because linear pair, you can write linear pair here. Linear pair. Then similarly PRQ and PRT also, angle PRQ plus angle PRT. PRT. These two are also equal to 180 degree. So we can see PQR plus PQ is 180, PRQ plus PRT 180. Both are 180. So we can make these two lines equal. Therefore we can write what? Therefore we can write angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. PRT. So now we can write, since PQR and PRQ equal, it is given in the question. So directly we can write now angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Why? In the bracket we will write, since angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. So this is the answer. Proof is very short. Question number 4. So diagram is given. So here given that this one is A, this is C, and W and Z. So here x plus y is equal to W plus Z. Then prove that AOB is a line. So proof going to do sum of the all angles at a point is 360 degree. So we can write like this: sum of angles at a point is 360. So what will be therefore? So therefore we can write, x plus y plus z plus w equal to 360 degree. So now we can replace something. X plus y I am writing like that, and in place of w, z plus w also we can write x plus y. Why we can write that? Because it is given that x plus y equal to w plus z, both are equal given in the question. So this one we can write here, since x plus y is equal to w plus z. This one is given in the question. This is given here. So now we have 2x plus y, that means 2 times there. 2x plus y is equal to 360 degree, and then x plus y will be equal to 360 by 180 degree. And you can see x plus y AOB between, so we can write it is a straight AOB is equal to 180, and since AOB 180, so it is a straight now. Question 5. Diagram is already drawn. It is given in the perpendicular line was there. This is the perpendicular line. Then this was one line will be here. And arrow hill is there everywhere. Is at a raise, that's why. And P Q R O S. This is an important. So given, you have to write from the question, given that POQ is a line, ray OR OS, OR is perpendicular to PQ, and OS is another line between OP and OR. So we need to prove angle ROS is equal to half angle QOS minus POS. So here we can see since OR is perpendicular, so ROQ and ROP both will be equal to 90 degree. So proof I am going to write. In proof we will write ROQ is equal to angle ROP. Both are equal to 90. Now going to do find out ROS. Now ROS. So now we will write now angle ROS. So angle ROS means we can write two type of things. That means ROS means we can write QOS minus ROQ. So I am going to write that angle. You can see in the diagram QOS minus ROQ we can write. So implies we have to give here implies sign. Angle ROS is equal to QOS remains same, and in place of ROQ now we can write angle ROP. We can write angle ROP. Space, less space is there, so I'm going to write now here. again we can implies angle are equal angle QOS minus. Now ROP means you can see in the diagram it is again ROS plus POS. So I'm going to write that inside bracket. So angle ROS plus angle POS. Right sign will be there only, implies this angle ROS also will be there, ROS S, and this one also minus will be there, minus angle POS. Now both side ROS there, so right hand side ROS I'll transfer to this side. It means ROS plus ROS will be here. So this one here and ROS equal sign give, and you can write QOS minus POS. Angle QOS minus angle P. So next line again we can write implies 2 times there, 2 angle ROS equal to angle QOS angle this side. If I transfer to that side it will be half. So implies and again implies half angle 1/2 angle OS minus now question number 6. So question number 6 diagram is not given, so we have to draw the diagram by ourselves. So here angle XYZ so this one is X, YQ bisect. So I'm going to this given that 6 XYQ. XYQ have to find out, that is 1 plus 64 will be angle 1 plus 64, and also have to find out QYP, that one is angle 2 only. So now proof I'm going to do. In the proof it will be like this. Proof we will write like this: YQ bisects angle ZYP. So therefore what will be, since YQ bisect, so therefore we can write angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Now we can see 1 plus 2 plus 64, that means 1 plus 2 plus XYZ all are on the same straight line. So sum of all these will be equal to 180 degree. So we will write that one, angle XYZ xyz plus angle 1 plus angle 2 all are equal to 180 degree because they are on the same straight line, on same line. In short, we can write on same line, on same. So we plus and we code degree plus angle 1, and since angle 1 and angle 2 are equal, so I will write angle 2 also because angle 2 are equal. So next line will be implies 2 angle 1 are there, so we can write 2 angle 1 plus 64 is there, that one I will transfer to that side, so it will be 180 degree 64 degree. Next line implies 2 angle 1 equal to, subtract it, 10 minus 4 6, 7 minus 6 1 116 degree. Now angle 1 we can find out, that one is angle 1 will be equal to 116 by 2, that means 58 degree. 58 plus 58, yes, okay, to that 58. So 1 equal to 58 getting means, again we can write therefore angle 1 equal to angle, and you can see angle 1 means, so we will write angle x y q equal to angle xyz plus angle 1. So we can write here we will write equal sign, xyz means 64 degree, angle 1 means 58 degree. So we will get here how much, 122 degree. So xyq we have got, and now we need reflex angle qyp, since angle 2 is qyp only. So first we will write out angle QYP is equal to angle 2 equal to 58 degree. So therefore it reflects angle QYP will be equal to 360 degree minus QYP is how much, 58, so we have to subtract 58 degree, and then we will get the answer. How much will be, it will be 302, so equal to 02. So this is the answer. I have finished 6.1. so in the next video we will get other exercises, maybe that one live, or maybe I'll upload that, depending upon the what I'll say. Okay, so thank you for